Hey, what's up? I'm going to show you a script that I made to access the audio hardware menu in Adobe Premiere. I constantly have to change the audio source because I'm plugging in my headphones or changing it, but it's kind of annoying to go there each time. So I'll just show you how the script works. So go ahead and launch Alfred and do audio hard. That's just the name that I chose. You can name it whatever you want. And what it'll do is it'll go to the Premiere Pro menu, click on Preferences, Audio Hardware, and then automatically click on the default output dialog, the default output dropdown, and then I can go ahead and just push the first letter of the source that I want to use for the audio output and push enter. Pretty cool. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you how I wrote the script. I use CLI click. There's a video on that. So it's on this side now, there. And then I use the Apple scripting method. There's another video that I haven't done yet that uses some shortcuts, but I'll just get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna do new Apple script, and it'll be called audio example. So in my video, how I automate my job, where I explain this method, I usually use script editor, but this is another way to use it, but you have to have Alfred Power Pack, blah, 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 a lot of details. Sorry, let's get to it. So basically, I go ahead and do mouse, which is a workflow that I use to copy the code to click on something with CLI click. So I'll just do mouse, I'll name a variable, I'll call it 1. I forgot to, first we have to activate Adobe Premiere, so I'll do Tele, Premiere Pro. So I'll click here, I'll click Preferences, I'll do mouse and do 2, and it'll put in the code that I need. I'll go back, I'll do Preferences and hover over Audio Hardware, 3, and then I'll go to Audio Hardware. Now I'm sure there's another way to Apple script this, and yeah, it might be quicker or more efficient, but for me, it's faster just to write the script this way and use mouse clicks with the system that I have set up. So, it is what it is. And then I'll go ahead and hover over the default output drop-down menu and do mouse and call it default. The variable names can be whatever as long as there's no spaces. And then here for the delay in between the 3 clicks, I'm gonna put 1.5 seconds instead of my delay of 0.2 because it takes a little bit for the window to pop up. Okay, let's try it out. So I'll do audio example. Oops, I forgot to close the window. Let's try again. Okay, it works. Now, if you just want to use this script and not learn how to write it, which is totally fine, what you'll have to do is replace the XY coordinates for these. And so I'll just show you how to do that with by using the screenshot crosshairs, and then also with the script that I'll provide, which automatically reads the position of the mouse and will go to Atom and re-paste the coordinates from the cursor position. Okay, so first step, I'm gonna do Shift Command 4 and lean in, and it's 103.12. So here you would just do 103.12. And then it should be the same for you, these first 3 coordinates, because the Premiere Pro dialog box will be the same for me and for you. But maybe the center position might be different for the audio hardware box due to different screen sizes. So basically you just have to hover over the default output dropdown. So it's 1284 545. So I change this to that. Now I'll go ahead and place the cursor in between the 3rd and 4th points, and I'm going to use a script that I call replace coordinates. So what this does, I'm going to go ahead and go to the coordinate that I want to replace. Let's say this window was in a different position. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the center. But what I'll do is just hover over the default output drop-down menu, and then I'll run my script called replace coordinates. Paste coordinates. Copy coordinates and paste. I have weird names, you can change it to whatever, but I'm going to push enter, and it's going to go ahead and go to Atom, and then it's going to find the next XY coordinate underneath where the cursor is and automatically update the coordinates based off of where the cursor is. So let's say, I wanted to do the whole thing. What I would do is go to Premiere Pro, I would click here, and then do copy coordinates and paste, and it'll replace the first one. Then I can go again and do preferences and just run the same script, and since the cursor's moved down, it'll jump to the next one. So a pretty cool way to quickly replace coordinates from my micro automation methods. If you have any questions, you can email me at hello@theproductivityshop.co or join the Productivity Shop Slack channel. That's really hard to say sometimes, repeating it a bunch. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you later. If you have any questions, you can email me at If you have any questions, you can email me at hello@theproductivityshop.co or join the Productivity Shop Slack channel.